Hi, I'm Fatin Abdalla. I'm onboard customer service assistant and I'm also a passenger going executive at Avanti West Coast. Today I'm here in Glasgow at the COP26. We're going to meet some people who are interested in climate, so they're all gathering here in Glasgow to make a difference.
So we're here to promote rail as the greenest form of public transport. One train can replace up to 500 cars. A freight train will replace up to 76 lorries. So it is the ideal way of coming to places like Glasgow to enjoy yourself or for work if you go to COP26. So rail is the most sustainable way of transport.
Right, so you know what you're doing. Full down on the throttle. Let's get it up to fourth gear.
We have got a train simulator as well to show people just how exciting train travel can be. I am still on the leaderboard, but right at the bottom, and I suspect by the end of the day I'll be off the leaderboard. There's some really, really good people.
There you go.
Oh, we're stopping.
No.
32 yards off. Not
Okay.
bad, not bad.
All right.
The passengers are going to have to do a little walk down the platform to get to the barrier.
All right, I know it.
So rail is already really, really green, but with small bits of investment, it could be even greener and make even a bigger impact on climate change and lead the economic recovery in a sustainable way.